home right of Atlanta. Get excited. All right, so today we are going to do some homemaking. This was also wash day. So I just conditioned my hair in the shower with this. This is Suave conditioner with Moroccan oil. I love this. Formula hair oil. And I always use a leave-in conditioner. This is a Cantu leave-in conditioner with shea butter. I love it. And I grease my scalp with sulfur 8 on wash day. So for me, wash day is once a week. All right, and today is Sunday, so this is like a Sunday refresh type of thing. So I use hot sticks. So these are just like hot sticks, Conair hot sticks, flexible hot rollers. Hot sticks or hot rollers. So I will leave these in for a couple of hours. And this is a quick way to stretch out my fro. All right, so let's see what we're working with here. Okay. Yeah, so I just need to do clean some baseboards, and I think today has been pretty productive. I will do that, and then I will start working on dinner because I do have to do some work from home work at 5, and it is 3. So hopefully my hair turns out to be cute. Alright, so what I do now is just shake, 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 shake. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And then I will add some hair oil. My husband's favorite hairstyle is the Fro Hawk when I do this. So I'm going to surprise him, and I'm going to do it like this. Hold on. My fancy, fabulous friends. It was so funny. My husband, he came home from swimming, and he saw all the curlers in my hair. And he saw I was doing a video. The look on his face was like, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That was funny. So I'm just like putting some gel, because you have to like have it really slick on the sides for this Fro Hawk to like really like do what it do, you know. So I'm gonna get in here so you guys can see. You see I put a lot of gel. Has to be like really slick. Just gonna turn around so you all can see like how I pinned it up here in the back on this side. Now I'm gonna do this other side. I don't know if this is gonna look good with the part here, but I'm gonna try. I'm not gonna give up on it yet. All right, that looks pretty pinned. You guys see this side here? Okay, so then if you like see any like loose spots, you can just like pin those spots. All right, so the back feels like it's kind of being held together. So now I'm going to work on the front. So you saw me pin these up here. So the front is always tricky. I think I just ate some gel, guys. All right. Okay, here we go. And also so I could keep it like this. But I think I want a little bit more of the side up here. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to pull a little bit more of this up over here. And I am about done. All right, so guys, take a look at the back. And now what I could do, like you can, okay, so depending on what you're wearing, like you can like accessorize it. I'm going to try this little clip because I haven't worn it in a while. So I'm just going to take a little piece of my Fro Hawk and I'm just going to put a cute little pin right here on the side. All right. So what do you guys think? So guys, that is today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Of course, if you like to work from home, go to panageinc.com. I will see you all in the next video. Shalom.